First of all, we'll add heavy whipping cream. I have 1 pint of heavy whipping cream, which we will. So now this is almost ready to be done. So at this point, we'll add confectionery sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So you can see the whip is nice and stiff. I'll add some whipping cream. Place the cake on the top. Press it. To this we will add some juice. Now we layer it up with some cream. On the top we will start layering up some fruits. Pressing it with the fruits. Now we'll add pineapples. Now we'll add cherries. Now we'll again add a layer of cream to it. Press it down. Now we'll put another layer of cake on the top. Add some more juice. Here we have another layer of icing. Now again our layer of fruits goes on the top. So now I will just fill these